It was an incredible experience, yeah. It was probably the best trip we've been on so far with CSM.
And it's nothing like you ever experienced before in like the beautiful landscape of Skye.
I absolutely love Skye. Being immersed in such a dramatic landscape alongside your peers that also have an equal appreciation for geology, it was a really incredible experience.
You're at a point where you've got 2 years worth of knowledge and experience and you can apply it really well to this field course. Really valuable experience.
I think the best thing was probably the independence that we were given. You got more independent as time went on, and by the time you reached the third mapping area, you were just given free rein to go wherever you wanted.
By the last 3 days, you're sort of doing an independent mapping project, essentially. So you're going off by yourself in North Scotland, mapping an area that's quite challenging in terms of terrain, but it's completely invaluable experience for your mapping project that you'll go on to do in the summer.
Oh, I think just the whole thing was amazing. I really enjoyed it. One day we got a bit of time off, we did a bit of geotouristing and we went up to the Old Man of Store. So that was super fun, walking up around there. And I think the independence of it as well, you get a chance to really showcase what you've learned in lectures and develop your skills, which then prepares you for your mapping project, which you do later on in third year.
Just a beautiful landscape, and even seeing like all the exciting wildlife and everything that's out there that you wouldn't normally experience in the classroom or even in Cornwall. The assignment that we produced at the end of Skye is a selection of maps focusing on the lithologies and faults and all the different structures that are present.
Being at the top of the Old Man of Store was amazing. It was so dramatic. It's almost like something from a film you would see. Yeah, it was really cool.
Especially in the third year, you're putting into practice all the knowledge from year 1 and 2 to become essentially an independent scientist, which is really valuable for jobs.
Field courses really help develop your confidence and your skill set, and they really help set your independence up, which will become particularly useful in future careers.
The experiences you share throughout that field course are just unforgettable. You make a lot of memories, a lot of laughs, and learn a lot of skills along the way.
I would absolutely recommend field classes to future students. They're a great way to get outside, away from your lectures, alongside your course mates, and see the geology come to life.